Hey guys, welcome to Simply Fishing. If you're looking for a show with just a regular kind of guy, you've come to the right place. I'd like to invite you to join me as I fish the beautiful waters of Alabama and throughout the Southeast. Join me as I paddle and fish some of the finest waters you will ever see. I'll often take you to places where bigger boats just can't get to. Go with me as I search for and catch fish of all sizes and species. I'll show you the baits and techniques I use to catch fish in the dead of winter through the scorching heat of summer. We'll talk about rods, reels, line, and all the other tools I use to catch the big girls. With my up-close camera work, I'll do my absolute best to make you think you're right there in the boat with me, every step of the way. Not only will we fish some of the most beautiful lakes in the world, we'll also fish rivers, streams too. I think you'll be amazed at the quality of fish that our smaller bodies of water can produce. From the largemouth bass, spotted bass, to flathead catfish, the small flowing tributaries, well, they have it all. These are excellent places for shore lunches and overnight camping trips as well. Like many of you, one of my passions is farm pond fishing. Farm ponds are great for several reasons. They are a good resource for testing new baits and techniques. Plus, during the summer months, they allow me to escape the huge number of pleasure boaters that invade our fisheries. As far as I know, a little peace and quiet never hurt anyone. A farm pond is a great place for peace and quiet. Beating the heat by wade fishing is another great way to fish here in the South. Wading gets me up close and personal with the fish. This also gives you the full experience of the great outdoors. Several times a summer I grab my ultralight tackle and wade the beautiful Mulberry River here in north central Alabama in search of Alabama spotted bass. You will be hard pressed to find a harder fighting fish than the Alabama spotted bass. So if you're just a regular fisherman wanting to see and learn more, you come on back each week. Join me here at Simply Fishing as I fish and explore new places. Let me show you all the tricks I've learned over the years that might just help you have a more fun and productive time out on the water. Until next time, you guys stay safe on the water, catch lots of fish, and take a kid fishing. I'm Lowell Henderson, and I'll see you next time.